Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, scroll all the way down to General Management, and scroll down again, and here we'll find a reset option. Select that and scroll down again and select Factory Data Reset. This will bring up a list of data that will be removed by this process. So if you find anything in here that you'd like to preserve, or maybe like music, photos, or user data, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now scrolling down, all the way down, you will find the reset option, so click on it. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it, and afterwards you will also need to, I believe, sign out of the Samsung account. Turn off flight mode. Okay, I guess we can't reset it in flight mode for some stupid reason. Let's try it again. No network connection. For God's sakes, I'm trying to reset it. There we go. So, you know, the pattern means FL when it comes down to Samsung, because once you confirm your pattern, Samsung considers this like, oh, no, you could still be considered that this isn't your device, so confirm it with a password. Instead of giving this option as a first option and only one, they just manage to waste your time somehow even more. Anyway, I'm gonna try to sign out of it, assuming I even remember the password. If I don't, that will be a problematic solution, but whatever. Okay, that was the wrong password. Let's try it again. Wrong password. There we go. I found the correct one. So once you confirm it, it automatically reboots the device. And right now it's going to continue factory resetting itself in the background. This process should take about a minute to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.